Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, and if you need to find the fuses for the engine computer, engine control modules, stay with us. We will explain where they're located. You may have up to 4 fuses, I think. We will explain why it's super important to test these fuses, and if you still have problems with the engine computer, we will explain what else could be causing that. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to guys buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So we specifically have the 3.6 V6 engine, but even if you have a V8 engine, procedure will be about the same. This right here is the fuse box that we'll be working on, guys. This is in the engine bay. So the fuses that we need to check, we need to remove that cover, squish here and pull straight up, open it, and here you have the fuses and the relays located, guys. We need to find the first fuse for the engine computer, guys. Will be actually 25 amp fuse. Okay, and we're talking about that fuse here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth fuse from left to right. That fuse, guys, right here is for the engine computer. Fuse number 31. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth fuse from left to right. Then you guys have 3 more fuses that you need to check. We're talking about another 25 amp fuse right here. And then we have one 20 amp fuse. This is known as fuse 34, 35. So that's fuse 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth fuse from right to left, and sixth fuse from right to left. Okay, so far this, and this. Now you have one more that you need to check as well, and the other one is known as fuse number, guys. Okay, number 37. 37 will be that third fuse from right to left. 1, 2, 3. So this fuse here. So the fuses that you need to check: this, and that. Now, it's very important to test fuses. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays. Check it out, and if you need to buy replacement ones at a good price, it will have the we will share the link so you can save money, guys, as well. Because not testing the fuse, sometimes you may think it's good and you cannot clearly see if it's burnt. You may end up spending time and money that can, guys, it's just not necessary. Just test it, find out if it's good or bad for sure. If you still have problems with the engine computer, we'll have a video how to replace engine computer and how to fix engine computer on Chrysler 300. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.